So before I started my bedroom makeover, my room was a hot mess. Like, it was all white and bland, and it was just messy and crowded. It had too much stuff. I had started so many different design ideas and then never followed through with anything. So it was just a random mismatch of stuff in my room. I had redid my closet the last summer, and that's pretty much the only thing that I had done in my room that I liked and wanted to keep. Everything else I felt like needed to change. Like, it was just way too much stuff in my room, period. And nothing matched, nothing went together. Like, the overall design idea was not cohesive. So I really just wanted something that would be a lot more calming, a lot more easy on the eye, and just a lot nicer. Alright, so one of the first things I'm going to do in my bedroom makeover is to repaint this nightstand that I have. It came from Pier 1. It came in this bright pink color, white and blue, and like a bright green. I ended up going with the pink when I bought it because I thought I was going to decorate my room a whole different way. That never came together, so now this pink just does not match anything. But I really like the style of the dresser, like the bamboo accent and all of this, and like the little bamboo pulls. I still really like that, so I don't want to get rid of it. And I literally bought it like a year ago, and it's really nice. So I'm going to paint it a different color to match kind of the new theme that I'm going for in my room. So I'm going to start by using the sander that I just bought that I've never used before to kind of, I'm not going to sand off all the paint because I think that's like going to be way too much work, but I just want to kind of rough it up a little bit so that when I paint over it, the paint actually sticks. So that's going to be the first part of this kind of overhaul of this dresser. So I'm going to start with that first. A little update on my bedroom. I have been working on getting it redone. It's still not all the way done. Clearly I've painted. I've been terrible at like documenting this process like I said I would, but I painted the walls. This is the nightstand that I finished painting that I did record some of me painting this. I did the walls in this terracotta orange color. It's BEHR Moroccan Sky, and today I'm putting my planters back up on the walls around my mirror, and I'm adding 3 across the top that weren't there before that I actually don't have plants for right now, but I'm just gonna put the planter up so when my plants are ready they will be there. This is the same mirror that I had before, but I just spray painted it gold. I spray painted the lamp over here gold as well so that everything would kind of like match. So I'm still waiting on a few things before the room is like completely finished. Curtains for this window. I got like a gold rod that I ordered off of Amazon and some like white cream linen curtains just to kind of like soften this wall up a little bit because it looks, I don't know, just a little harsh to me with just like the big blank window and then the dresser and everything. And in this corner over here where I have my 2 little poofs and my furry rug, there's gonna be a tall like egg chair right here, but the chair is on back order. I already ordered it. It won't be here till the end of September, so I have to wait for that for a little bit. But yeah, so I have to wait for the egg chair that's gonna go right here because it's on back order. But today we're gonna get these planters put up, and then by the end of the week hopefully my curtains and my rod will be here, so those will be up, and the only thing that I'll be waiting on is the chair. Other than that, the room will be pretty much done and ready for a reveal. Are up. These 3 are gonna stay empty for a minute until the pothos that I'm propagating from these 2 are ready to be planted in some dirt. These are the Wally Grow wall planters from Willy Grow, I think. I'll link them in the description. They're really cool. The two that have plants in, I've had in the wall, on my wall for like over a year. They're really nice. They're plastic. They don't leak. You can water. Let me take it down. Ugh. So you can water it without taking it off the wall, because when you plant it, you take this piece out and then you slide it in here like this, and the dirt goes in the front. And when you water, you just water into the back, and then it goes through these holes into the plant. And as long as you don't overfill it past like here where you can see my hand, then it won't leak. I've never had it leak on me in my walls, the two that I've had up. So it's a very nice, I really like them. One thing, the other cool thing that I've added to my room that I actually didn't want in here for the longest is my little Google Home speaker, Google Home Mini thing. So I've added that, and I added not automated. I added the Google Home Mini, and I got some little plugs for some of my lights so that I can cut my lights on and off with the Google, which it's not anything revolutionary, but I really like it. It's very convenient for when I'm like laying in the bed and I don't feel like getting up. So if I say, hey Google, turn the lights on. Hey Google, turn the lights on. It cuts on my little salt lamp over here, and it cuts on the lights that are in my closet that change colors. So usually those are like the lights that I have on at night. And the plugs that I got are these Wise plugs. Okay, focus. Are the Wise plug. I got a 2-pack from Home Depot for like 20 bucks. And they're super easy to install and just link with my Google, and you can hook it with IFTT and make some different presets to pop on and off however you want. But I haven't done all that. I've just been using them with my Google Home. I really like them. Super convenient. Hey Google, turn the lights off. Ta-da. I'm sure everybody else probably already has this in their house, but I have not had it in my room, and I really like it. Alright guys, so this is basically my completed bedroom. I have been meaning to film this and show this for probably over a month now, because really I've been mostly done since then. I just haven't had time, been a little busy. So this is everything. The walls are painted, the mirror is painted. I got my chair in the corner that I ordered from Target. I'll put all the links below. My whole little like sitting area, actually everything over here I think came from Target. This little poof is from Target. This table is from Target. The diffuser on top of it is from Costco. But most of the stuff over there is from Target. The curtains are up. The curtain rod and the curtains came from Amazon, so I'll link those. Everything on my little dresser over here. The salt lamp I think I got from like the Home Goods. The planters are from Target, but they're from a couple years ago, so they might not be available anymore. The candles and the room spray are Target. And the little bowl is something that I made in my pottery class. I got new bedding. My bedding is from Target. Actually, I think the bed itself is from Target, but that's way old. They probably don't sell it anymore. The blanket is from Target. And the satin pillowcases are from Amazon. And then on this side, we have a nightstand that came from Pier 1, but I painted a different color. The other bowl over here I made as well. That just holds all my little random stuff for the room, like my scissors, my nail file, the remote for the diffuser. That plant actually came from Costco. That light came from Target, but I spray painted it gold. And then this is my closet. I redid the closet actually last summer, and I took the doors off because I didn't like the doors. I put up these curtains from IKEA. I put the lights inside. The lights are from IKEA. The actual system that's inside, it's a little messy, but the actual system that's inside is a closet-made system from Home Depot. It's just got a long side on one side and a short side, like 2 racks on the other and shelves in the middle. It's really cute. I can close it all up if I want to, but usually I leave it open because I like to see the shelves in the middle with all my stuff on it. The only thing, oh, and then I've got all my products over here on my dresser because I like to stand here and do my skincare after I shower at night. This is just my preferred place. I could have put all this in the bathroom and just have like a clean open counter, but I like doing it in here, so I just do. I have just left all my skincare and body care products on my dresser, and yes, it's a lot, but whatever. But the only things that are in this room that I wanted to change that I didn't get to are painting the top of this dresser, because it is, I want to say this dresser is old as me almost. It's like 25 years old. I've had it forever. And then painting this dresser as well, because this dresser is pretty old. I didn't get to it, maybe next summer. I just wanted to be finished with the project. They still look good, and I couldn't really decide a color, like if I wanted to do them cream or leave them white. So they just got left. I'll get to that another time. But overall, this is my bedroom. I love it. It's so calm and cozy. I just love coming in here at night. I feel like it's just so pretty. And I've got my planters up here that I am working on propagating some more pothos to go up here. But other than that, that's the room, guys.